Okay, welcome to another episode of DSA with Pranav. So in this question, in this video we'll see this question: make the string great. So what they have given a string, we have to remove the adjacent elements where s of I will be the lowercase and s of I plus 1 will be the uppercase of the same letter, or even the vice versa. It can be even s of I may be the uppercase, s of I plus 1 may be the lowercase of the same letter, and we have to remove it until and unless we cannot. So here we can see, first we'll remove this a and b because a is adjacent element, a is small, and b, and we'll remove this b and capital B. Then again a is removed because this a is adjacent. Then again we'll remove c and c. So the and we got a result as an empty string. So this is a good string. So they have given here is an empty string is also a good. We'll just see how this works. So first I'm having, so we'll be using stack for this to compare the adjacent elements. So I'll take an empty stack. I'll just if my stack is empty, I just push the element. My pointer is now here, I now it goes here. Now I'll compare if my a and this a, if like both are same in the sense, if one is smaller case and other one is uppercase, if or else if one is uppercase, other one is smaller case. Yeah, now yeah, but in this condition a and a both are same, so we'll just pop it out. Again now b is added, I'll add b to it. uh, Now my pointer is here. I'll again compare the top element of my stack, that is small b. If by that any chance is equal to this, yes, it's a capital B. Small b and capital B, a condition follows, and we'll just pop the element from the stack. Again, now stack is empty, so we pointer is now pointing to the small c. I'll add an element as stack there was not having any elements. Now again I'll go to this. I'll compare this capital C with this small c. Yes, it satisfies. If we encounter any such condition like one capital, one small of same letter, we'll just pop it out. So it's pop it out. Now we have empty. We don't have any elements in our stack, so the answer we return is an empty string. So again, if we come to this example, again I'll take an empty stack. I'll just push there's no element, so I just push my first element. Then again my pointer is pointing to this e. Again I'll compare this e, this l, and this e both are different, so I can just push. Now my pointer is pointing to this capital E. This is small e and this is capital E. That means the top of the element in my stack is small e, and the pointed pointing to is the capital E. So I'll just pop it out. Again, now my pointing to here. This is L, this is E. Both are completely different, so no issues. I just push the element into my stack. Again, my pointing to point to here, and this E and this E both are same, but both are a smaller case. So again, not an issue. I can easily push the element to my stack. Then my pointer is pointing to this T. Again, I'll compare the top of the element in my stack, that is E, with this T. Both are different, so no issues. I can easily push it out. Now I'll just remove. I had a T, E, one more E, and an L. While returning answer, I just reverse it because it is stack, right? So the answer would have stored in the reverse order. I just reverse it and I'll return. So this was my answer, elite. So we'll code it out. Yeah, we'll code it out. What we need is we need a stack character named st. Then we'll iterate every element. We'll just take every character named ch in our stack. Then yeah, so when we need to push the element to our stack and when we do not. So we'll write if some else. So at some time we need to push our element to our stack, and sometime we need to pop out. So sometimes we need to push. We'll see when we'll push. Again we'll see, and if not push, we need to pop the topmost element in our stack. So yeah, this is the condition. But when we'll do it, there is when we'll pop the element from the stack is when our string is not empty and the top element of a string is a small case or a capital case, and other one the pointer at which the string is pointing is exactly opposite case of the top element. Only at that condition will pop out. So there's a trick to find this. So here you can see the capital A, the value of ASCII value of capital A is 65, the small a value is 97. Again, the capital B value is 66, small b is 98. So the difference between them is 32. So by this, we can easily find like if they're vice versa or not. What we'll do is we will take an absolute difference between the topmost element of a stack and the element at which we are pointing. If that absolute difference is exactly equal to 32, then it's sure either one will be smaller case, other one will be in upper case of same letter. So at that condition, we'll pop it. After popping, we'll just remove all the elements from a stack. We'll just remove all the elements. We'll just it result. We'll just concatenate to a result, and we'll reverse it, and we'll return the result. So yeah, this should actually work. Yeah, it got submitted. Thank you.